There is an adage that said when you get to Roman, you behave like a Romanian. In a situation where husband and wife they get misunderstanding, you as a friend or family member, you go still get limits to how you go take chook mouth put. Likewise, brother and sister, anytime where you see say two family, two family member they get misunderstanding, you will be outsider, you go get limit to how you go take chook mouth put. If not, last they go use you settle. My people, una remember the incident wey happen between Regina Daniel and her brother Swizzy wey dey for obodo na London. About money matter, almost 390 euro wey dem talk say dem carry give am. Allegedly, according to the story, say Regina give the brother money. They give am like no be say na once she pack that money give am. And she don't know to say Ipa dey give her stress. In dey give her headache from one drama to the other. You see that scenario wey happen wey she make her fly out come talk say in Ned Wogo's house I am nobody, but in my house I am a queen. No be today na e start. So as e be say no be today, she don dey gather the money dey come long dey gather and dey come with the hope that a day will come where she go finally say it is over and she go comot. At least make she get wetin she go hold back on, because the account wey dey under her care, Ipa dey always dey go checkmate am. And if she come dey give her mother, e go also dey suspect, but im mind never go where the brother dey. So na im make she dey carry the money dey send for am make im help her keep am. This life e better make you even do business of money with outsider than say you try am with your own flesh and blood, because last if e cast, you no go fit even shout, because ear wey go hear am, e no go really make sense. So allegedly, they say after Regina come give the brother the money finish, make him dey keep, she use am dey buy time based on wetin the Regina talk. The Regina use her mouth talk and say no be today, na because of her children and for us unforeseen circumstances na im make her still dey. Say but this incident wey happen no be today na e start, but because her children still small, who she wan leave am for? But at least now the last one dey 3 years, Munir dey for 5 years. Even though no be say dem still dey okay like that, but at least before she come cry out. So now they don gather money for your hand. When this matter happen, the brother was like, is this say na the one wey be say e dey always dey happen before, where they go beg, everywhere go settle. This time around, the sister don make up her mind say she no do the marriage again. Enough is enough. At least that money wey dey for the brother hand, e go reach her take set up herself, whether na house whether na business whether na car whether na the luxury life small to live and all, she go use am settle. So na she say it is over like that. Then the one wey she come gather for herself for Naija here, una remember say she use am buy house for Lagos, wey she pack go, wey people say yes, Regina really get sense. At least e no go dey for Asaba, e no go come dey for Abuja instead. Omo, na Lagos this girl tear race go buy house, wey be say that house matter no be small drama e cause. That time wey Nedwoko dey provoke, they go dey call the agent and all, say who sell house for Regina, im go collect the house, they go seal the house, they go this. Last e talk, e enter house. Power pass power, no be to cho, no be to use money and influence. Sometimes grace differs. At the end of the day, he talk and finish. He go arrest, he later enter house. Maybe na that one join for the thing wey dey pain am, because e no tey na im come arrest Sammy, the Regina Daniel brother. Una understand? So now the scenario, as the thing no reach to settle, una don already hear the story before. E no reach to settle again with Ipa and Regina. The brother try based on say he don't know wetin dey sup. Say if e sup now, all those money wey she dey get for Ipa hand wey make her dey gather that one for im hand say e otilo e don finish, definitely she go need the one wey dey im hand, wey make am come dey try im best to see how im go take settle Ipa and Regina. But this time around, omo, e no work. Sister say lie lie, she don make up her mind. So im kuma gat to play along as if okay o, I am happy, no wahala, you can come. When Regina finally reach there, to the glory of God, one or two things come dey happen in her favour. Even when the network say no asylum, this one I no wan dey go back to the story. Last last, she come say okay o, she wan start dey do the business wey go dey put money for her hand. Since house now is out of it, make dem give her the money wey dey in hand, make she dey do, because she don get brand, she don get wetin dey trend, that type sheet wey she come talk say she don dey do shirt wey she go write type sheet, don dey do shoe type sheet, she don dey do so many things like that. She rebrand am, brand am, give am name type sheet. Anywhere wey you see type sheet, na Regina get am. So she come say na wetin she wan do now, she go dey supply the cloth, the shoe, the bag and all go Nigeria, go give her friends wey dey do business wholesale. Then they go dey sell, dey give her return. She go sell, she go dey send for them. So she need big capital, she need her money from the brother. And the brother come tell her say, hey wo, make she no vex. Him now, he use the money put for forest. Allegedly, according to the story, pay money wey no be your own, you carry and go put for forest. Now the lady now got angry and mad at him. That you know something, that this money I dey keep am under your hand. What if forest crash? So my money don't go be that. Why you go do this kind thing? No, normally this thing wey you do, you don't F up oh, seriously. Now, as if that was not enough, na so the thing come bring serious gbasgbos for house. Wey be say, una know say the one wey be Sammy, wey Nedwoko arrest, him and Regina na 5 and 6, they no dey use their self dey play. Why the one wey dey for Obodo Ibo, we think say he no dey use Regina play, but with this one now, omo, he use Regina play oh. The money na him last come use scatter am. Now all of them come provoke say no, this thing wey you do dey wrong. Funny enough, they can't go unfollow their self for Instagram. So take e reach the one where we say he do birthday, the Sweezy himself, he do birthday. Regina no celebrate am, Sammy no celebrate am, Destiny no celebrate am. Now only in mama na him celebrate am for the happy birthday, wish her happy birthday, can also celebrate her son. Based on say una know say mama and pikin, no matter what, they go still forgive. So he no can go the whole grudges against in own pikin na how to take settle them na him go dey find. But they never still settle based on say the money he never still come. Now, what we were expecting from Sweezy was to give Regina hope, or possibly look for how he go take find money, give Regina, make she shall start something. Now, the one wey come scatter the table was when Sweezy girlfriend, the woman wey be say he never marry her oh, but she born pikin for am, and he never even carry the pikin or the girl herself come Nigeria come see him mama. You wey they never marry you, you wan come go dey chook mouth for brother and sister matter. Now the sister come dey provoke say Regina dey live with them, as him come kuku come tell her about the money matter, say him dey find money now wey he wan give his sister, that his sister is angry with him, they don't even unfollow am, this one, that one. Now that one come provoke, come talk to Regina anyhow. Say make Regina return back to Ipa. Wetin she dey here they do, allegedly according to the story. Say wetin she dey here they do, let her return back to her ancestors, to her old man, this one, that one. Now see her, she dey the lobby for money, like say e get another thing wey dey attached, this one, that one, this one. Now Regina say, is it me you are talking to? How dare you? Based on say she too myself no be person wey too like trouble or wahala like that. Na so she take comot for the house setup. Na see finish dey cause am, wey make she need her money, because so many things wey she go use that money do, even na to sleep for hotel before any other thing or so. Na make she need the money. At the end of the day, she no get the money. She come dey get disrespect join am. Na im she comot for house. As she comot finish, dem no settle matter, nothing. Now during December, they were supposed to come, December 2025, they were supposed to come to Nigeria. Swizzy now suppose carry the girl come Naija, come see im mama alongside im pikin, so that the mama too go know her granddaughter. Na for phone dey see, so they go need to see each other. Everybody go see theirself. Now mama Regina on the other end, na Asaba she dey mostly dey. But as Regina now no dey and she don get house, for anytime wey she come for film, she go rent hotel. Go no go, that is for Lagos. Una know say now they don dey shift from Asaba. Na Lagos now, na im all the Nollywood actors now don dey pack theirself go. So sometimes if she wan shoot any movie like that now, she dey come Lagos. So sometimes she dey go rent hotel. And she come tell herself say na to rent a 2-bedroom apartment wey she go dey manage. Na there where she dey manage, na im God come do am. Regina come kuku come buy house for Lagos there. So if she from Asaba come Lagos, she get big mansion wey get thank you and very much, wey she go stay inside. My people. So like this, so na im as the Swizzy come say im dey come with im woman, na im she say toh, no wahala o, she no go stop you wey be im son make you no come. But you see that woman now, they never settle with Regina Daniel. And aside settlement, for the fact that she have the mind to talk to Regina that way, wey no be say they don even marry her keep for house, wetin give her that ododo, that mind to even talk to Regina anyhow, na im still dey wonder me. And why on earth you still dey with that girl and still dey try to imagine? Whether na because of the pikin wey she born for you, but it is a disrespect in your own end that this lady have the mind to talk to your sister that is going through a lot right now anyhow, just to prove a point. It is so shameful and disgraceful how you allow things like this to happen. Na im dey say Swizzy come tell the mother say make the mother no worry, say the girl go settle with Regina Daniel, say make you no worry. Na im she come say na Regina wey she know, abi na another one. Say shey you don forget Regina, because this matter, even the mother don cry put, say make Regina no allow Ipa find out this money matter, and that say she and Swizzy dem don dey vex for each other, so tey dem unfollow theirself. Say make e no allow the matter escalate, because if e escalate, they go laugh them. Last e later escalate as dem unfollow each other. Everybody for social media come know, talk say dem no dey. As im come kukuma come do birthday wey Regina no celebrate am, Sammy no celebrate am, Destiny no celebrate am. Everybody come confirm am say true, wahala don happen. So e say they go settle their differences. Na im the mother come say toh, I no stop you o, but you see that girl, for the fact say na Regina Daniel house na im we dey stay, whether e will am to you, or e will am to Sammy, or e will am to me, na she get the house. And secondly, Regina Daniel na person wey be say if she don make up her mind for something, she don make up her mind. And she bin don talk am the day wey the mother dey try to settle them, wey the mother say no forget say na your brother girlfriend na im add to the annoyance, no come carry am personal. Na Regina say no be even that girl own na im be her problem. She no really send the girl. She don move on, be say she don move on, nothing concern her with the girl, making it look like she no really send the girl. So even if she go dey apologize now, it will not really change anything. They say na who shit na im dey forget, but who pack am, e dey hardly forget. So last, as na the girl na im offend Regina now, e don become an everlasting mark wey dem no fit forget. Now e say no carry her come o, unless another place. But you see here, no carry her come. I no want anything of disgrace for her to get the mind to even talk to Regina anyhow after everything. After everything. Na im be say the girl dey ungrateful. She no even get sense. Even if you no know anything, must you put mouth for family matter? Must you go put mouth for family matter? Family wey you no know how dey take start. You come towards the ending, come dey authoritative, dey tell dem what to do and what not to do. Now she don use her head take pack wetin no good. Mama Regina say, no, 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 no. You fit come with your daughter or anything, but you see this one, e go hard o, because Regina no go ever forgive me if I allow this matter to just go like that. E go be like say I too love you, na im make I dey allow you dey misbehave. My people, wonders dey say it shall never end o. Tori don worwor. Now we no come even know what to believe or what to do. Whether make the girl beg Regina Daniel, or the only thing wey go sweet Regina at this point, whether na for her to go source for money carry give Swizzy, make Swizzy pay Regina Daniel her money. Na una chop person money, na una still get pride. Na una still dey vex, dey talk to the girl anyhow, telling her make she return back to her ancestors. E get mind dey call im estranged husband ancestors. The same ancestor money na im dey pack, dey bin dey send, una dey squander, una dey chop, dey live life. Now as she no dey for the marriage again, una come follow join take dey humiliate her. Abi e reach the one wey dey go tell her make she no come. Even though I know say last Regina go forgive, but omo, the lady too do. Now see am, they don use her head take pack the quarrel. Now online in-laws come dey talk am say make Mama Regina no allow, if she allow the girl come, na im be say the girl go do more even to her. The girl go later put hand for inside her eye. Her eye no go fit talk wetin her mouth no go even fit talk wetin her eye see. Na wetin people come dey talk be that o. My people, make una come chook mouth for inside this matter. Una feel say Regina Daniel and the family dey too do to have said make the girl no come, or she deserve everything she dey get? You wey marry man, wey dey friend man, are you not supposed to be careful in your utterances, make you know what to say and what not to say, and at the hour you are supposed to say them? Sometimes no be as mouth take big na im you go take open am talk. You go use your brain take talk, because at this point the family dey go through a lot. So small thing can easily pain person. Small thing can make you just decide to provocate. So you just need to be extra careful while dealing with things like this. Abi guys, what do you guys think? Make we interact, guys. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.